number 14 on the homework here, find x. So I noticed two things going on in this problem. We have a right triangle where we know that these lengths form a right triangle because this angle right here is 90 degrees. Alright, I also notice that we have an angle bisector here. Alright, so if you think back to chapter 8, we know that that angle bisector is going to divide this third side here into the same ratio, so x over y, as the sides of the angle being bisected. So the ratio of x to y should equal 3 over 4. Alright, so we have two relationships going on here, and we're going to need both of them to figure this out. So we can use the fact that this is a right triangle to figure out that this whole side here is 5. Because if you did 3 squared plus 4 squared, oh man, this gets annoying sometimes. 3 squared plus 4 squared is equal to, like, say, c squared. You would get, 9 plus 16 is 25. So that third side would have to be 5. Alright, so we got that. Now, I'm just going to erase all that. Now that we know that this whole side is 5, we could erase this part, x, and then we know that that part is just 5 minus x. So then we're going to set up a proportion. So the ratio of the sides, 3 over 4, is equal to the ratio of these sides, x over 5 minus x. And then cross multiply, so we get 4x is equal to 15 minus 3x. Double checking that, yep. And then you can add 3x to both sides, and you get 7x is equal to 15x. And you get, wait, what am I doing here? There's no x here. It should be 15, my fault. So yeah, 3 times 5 minus x is 15 minus 3x. Add 3x to both sides, 7x equals 15. And then divide by 7, and you get x is equal to 15 over 7. Alright, and if we just make sense of that answer real quick, 15 over 7 as a decimal is 2.1, we'll round. So if this side right here is 2.1, if we subtract that from 5, we get that this side right here is 2.9, and we could see that they both add up to 5, and if you do like a quick check by dividing 2.1 by 2.9, or adding 2.1 to 2.9, dividing, I was right the first time, you get that they're both around, the ratio is 0.75, which is 3 over 4.